what happens when two talented actresses come together on screen. Friendship blossoms. Blake Lively and Anna Kendrick, stars of A Simple Favor, are not just colleagues, they're friends. Despite rumors of tension, a reliable source confirms they share a professional bond and a friendly relationship offset. Excitement is in the air as they prepare for the premiere of Another Simple Favor at Southwest, ready to collaborate and promote the film alongside the cast. In the midst of challenging times, with Lively and her husband, Ryan Reynolds, entangled in a legal dispute with director Justin Baldoni, the actresses remain on good terms. Speculations about Lively's friendships have surfaced, especially after Baldoni's comments about her longtime friend Taylor Swift. Yet a source assures that these rumors are baseless. Lively, a mother of four, has been keeping a low profile since filing a lawsuit against Baldoni, alleging mental torture and sexual harassment during the filming of It Ends with Us. Despite the lawsuit and a $400 million countersuit from Baldoni, she has the support of her allies, including A Simple Favor director Paul Feig, who dismisses any notion of tension between the actresses. Colleen Hoover, the author of It Ends with Us, and Lively's sister, Robin Lively, have shown their support. Feig and comedian Jenny Slate have also spoken up, standing by Lively against the alleged smear campaign. Sean Levy, a frequent collaborator with Reynolds and Amber Heard, reflecting on her own experiences, have expressed their solidarity. Actor Brandon Sklenar and co-star Jenny Slate have conveyed their encouragement, emphasizing Lively's strength and leadership. As the sequel to A Simple Favor approaches, the cast, including Michelle Morone, shares a sense of camaraderie and empathy for Lively's journey. Remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button for more stories. And here's a lighthearted joke. Why did the actress bring a ladder to the set? Because she heard the director was looking for someone to step up their game. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.